Okay, good morning class 6. We were doing file management, organization of data, chapter 2. So last time we had discussed about the transfer of data from one drive to another and how to copy, okay, from one drive to another and from one device to another. So in this chapter we will discuss about how to arrange your file, okay, or a folder in a drive or in a device. So today I will discuss about the sorting of files. Sorting means, you all know, it means arranging. Okay, sorting means arranging files. So it's very important. Once we have created a file or a folder, it's very important to sort it, to arrange it in a particular order. Okay, so here in Microsoft Windows, in a file explorer, you have to sort your files. Okay, so sorting files helps you to arrange the files in a folder according to, you can sort it according to type, size of the file. You can sort it according to the type of the file, whether it's a video file, okay, audio file or JPEG file. Then you can arrange size wise, or you can arrange according to the date it is modified. Okay, it is, you can arrange it according to the dates modified. So these are the ways to arrange your file. Now how to arrange, you have to go to that particular folder or a file, go to the folder, then right click on the mouse button. In a mouse button there is left click and right click on the mouse button, and from the mouse button you can get the option sort by. Then you will get the option sort by, you can select name, okay, then sort by type, you can select sort by list, or sort by the date it is modified. These are the options, okay. Or you can sort, if it's a number, you can sort according to the ascending order or the descending order. This way you can sort it out, okay. So sorting means it's arranging. Now comes, after you finish creating files and folder, then after you finish sorting the files and folder, you can search your file and folder. Those are there in your computer's system, okay. So search for files using wildcard character. Now wildcard character means Microsoft had introduced the feature of searching for files and folder using two wildcard characters. So Microsoft Windows got two wildcard characters which will help us to search for a file and a folder that are there in your computer system. So one character is asterisk and one is question mark. So these are the two wildcard character, okay. So these are the two wildcard characters which helps you to search your file and a folder. Now wildcard are special characters that can stand in for unknown character in a text value and are handy for locating multiple items with similar but not identical data. Suppose children, you know that you have created a file, okay. Suppose it's something which starts from R, O, then rest of the characters you don't know the file name, okay. Whatever file name you are given, you don't remember it. Then you are looking for that. In a computer system, in one particular drive, there are number of files and folders, okay. Because like in one computer system, if it's not your personal computer, if that computer system is used by other people also, then there will be so many files and folders that are saved in the system. So if you are looking for one particular file, it will be very difficult for you to search if you don't know the file name. But this wildcard character will help you to search those file and folder. Now how to search using a question mark? This question mark wildcard character, now I am talking about the question mark wildcard character, will Replace any character in a search with a wildcard character question mark. This implies that even if you are not sure about a file name, you can substitute the character you don't know with. As I told you, this is arrow, then you don't know the rest of the characters you don't know, just substitute with the question mark. Then yes, question mark, wildcard character will help you to search all the files and folders that starts with RO, whatever rest of the thing. By looking at those two characters, you can easily get your file or a folder that you're looking for. So this will help you to search your file and folder in from one drive. Okay, this is your question mark wildcard character. Now I'm talking about the search files using asterisk wildcard character. Now the second one is the asterisk wildcard character. The wildcard character asterisk can be used to search for a specific type of a file for a big folder or a different file format. So your asterisk will help you to find the file or a folder which has a different format. Different format means, suppose you have created one file in Microsoft Word, then your file, the Microsoft Word file will be saved as Rockville .doc. So this is the file format, okay, for your document file or Microsoft Word. Okay, now suppose you have created a file in Excel, then your Excel file will be saved as rockville.xlx. This xlx means this is the file format for your Excel file. So here I am talking about the different file format here, children. Microsoft Word, its format is DOC. Excel, it is XLS. If it's PowerPoint, then it will be PPT. Okay, if it's an image file, then it will be JPEG. If it's a music, then it's MP3. Okay, these are the different file formats. So suppose children, if you don't know which type of file format you are looking for, then you can take a help of asterisk wildcard character. Okay, so this asterisk wildcard character will help you to find for a particular folder or a file or a particular format they are looking for from your drive. Okay, so these are the two wildcard character. Now comes various file format that are used in Windows 10. Here I will discuss about the various file format. Just now I told you about document file and Excel file. So apart from document file and Excel file, there are other file formats too. So here I will discuss about different types of file format that you have to remember. Okay, file format that is used in, and you should know the file format, because unless you don't know the file format, then you won't be able to look for a file. So here I will discuss about various types of file format that are used in Windows 10. Okay. That are used in Windows 10. You can note down this. Okay, the first one is the word processor file. As I told you, word processor, Microsoft Word. So if you have created a file using a word processor, then automatically your file will be saved as file name .docx or DOC. Okay, so this is a file format for your file name word processor. Now if you have created a file in spreadsheet, that is Excel file, then your file will be saved at .xls. Okay, this is your Excel file. Okay, if you have saved your file as a audio file in your Windows 10, then your file will be saved as .mp3. So on I will discuss Video file will be saved as .avi or .mpeg. So children, it is there in page number 21. Page number 21, have a look at your book. If you don't have, then I had already sent you the PDF. You can refer to that. Page number 21, various file format used in Windows. So here I discuss about word processor, spreadsheet, audio. Then you have a video file which will be saved as AVI or MPEG. Then comes system configuring file that will be saved at .cfg. Then you will have executable files, it will be saved at .exe. Then you have image files, it will be saved at .jpeg, and that you have XML file that will be saved at .xml. So I want you to draw this table, okay? Draw this table. Table number 1, various file formats, and you draw and write all the format and the extensions of those files in your computer copy. Okay, so in my next class I will be sending you the exercise sections, multiple choice, fill in the blanks, match the following, true and false. I'll be sending you those exercises, and I will discuss question answers later. Okay, so this much for today. See you in my next class. Thank you.